So today I'll be trading an account with $14.78. Like we said on the last video, that we'll be trading this account according to the number of likes on the video. So according to this video, we have 3.3k likes, so we're going to go around that area. So this is an account of Sanelly Square, an Exness account. So he opened one is to unlimited on the leverage, so which means it can allow me, the full margin guy, to go extreme, to go to extremes, all right, to in this account, to ensure that the maximum profit is raised. And also there's also a large risks associated with this type of trading. So when you are trading your accounts, I do not advise anyone to follow this type of trading, as you will blow your account, all right? So this is like a disclaimer. So when you're trading, always use maximum risk management. So in these videos, I managed to send out some signals in the Telegram group. So go in the Telegram group so that when I make the next video, I'll be sending signals as well, so that everyone can enjoy. You look at it, everyone got profitable in the signals which I sent. One of it was GBP odd, which went skyrocket. Everyone was deep in deep blues. So yeah, there's that. So go in my Telegram channel, in my WhatsApp channel. I'll be sending signals so that you don't miss anything. So if you also want a high leverage account, use the link and you can open one is to unlimited, so that when we go to the next video, you can stand a chance to also get in the giveaways. So without wasting your time, let's go for margin. And another thing, so the word is liquidify, liquid. Yeah, thanks guys for the heads up. I saw the comments in the comment section. Yeah, liquidated. Yeah, the word is still somewhere in my mouth there. It's just that the language, so liquidation, liquidity, yo, again. I guess seriously we're doing this again, but I'm just saying, yeah, the word is at least in my mouth. It's just that the linguistic part is not linguisticing in my mouth. So yo, anyway, so the first part which I had to do in this account of Sanelly Square is that I started in Gold USD. Gold USD is very volatile. Yo, it's very volatile. That is why I had to give the signal in the group. It was very volatile. So I got this pennant. So you know what happens here? It goes up. All right. Why does it go up? So when we look closely, you'd find out there is a W formation. I've made a video on the W's and M formation. You should have a look at that. So there is a W here, and there is resistance to the left. So the price was resisting at first. So in the second time, the price is going up. It's going to blow up. It's going to go to the nearest supply and demand zone. So where I put the shadow zone there, that's a rally based drop. All right. So which means that's a strong selling point. So you should be aware of that strong selling point. If price is to go up there, something will happen. So you don't keep holding on that kind of trade. So I really like scalping because it also speeds up the process of trading these small accounts so that they go up. But this is the 1 hour, so we are going to be having to hold a little bit, because in the smaller time frames there were just a few trades. So yeah, I had to use the higher time frames. I'm sure I saw a comment which says, you guys, you first look at trade in the higher time frame and then you take it in the lower time frame. Well, if it works for you, then I'm sure you can go for it, but it doesn't work for me. I will enter the trade in the same time frame which I've entered, so which I have analyzed. The difference is that I analyze in different time frames so that I really understand, right, what kind of a thing which I have, but I just enter in the same time frame which I want. For example, in the 1 hour time frame, I also looked in the H4 and I also looked in the H15, just to know if the pattern is clicking, if it's going in order, if we are having the same thing, all right, if it's in support. So I sent the signal in the group there and everyone entered. So in a matter of hours, then we were hitting our profit target here. So using the high leverage, it will allow me to do this, and a very tight spread, which this broker has, especially Deriv, it has a high tight spread. All right, it's a tight spread, which means a little bit of movement, boom, you're in profit. A little bit of wrong movement, boom, you're gone as well. So do take that in notice. So this is the next trade of odd card. So this is the kind of trade which I like the most. This type of trades, there is a W, just like I said in the last trade. So I had to send this signal again in the group. All right, it was another buy here. The thing is, odd card is that it's not that volatile, so you have to add even more position for it to have more power. You have to add more, especially if you're using 1 unlimited. It will give you more power. So here it's going to go down to that area of rally based drop, and then that's a strong selling point, and then boom, it will go down. You have to be careful when you're drawing your trend lines. Only the wicks has to be touched at least more than 3. When you do that, you have a strong support zone or a demand zone. So you need to know. And another thing, do subscribe to my other channel so that we can help each other here with the giveaway, so that everyone can have as much as they can. You know, you need this kind of knowledge. Sometimes you don't need the knowledge, you don't need the giveaways, you need the knowledge. This kind of thing, I believe I'm being clear on these videos upon drawing the trend lines. So when you are drawing your trend lines, you just don't guess or say it's gonna go this direction. You have to know what has to happen first. So here I'm anticipating that when it touches the trend line, it might go down just a little bit on that arrow, just a little bit, and then it continues going up. It's just something that will ruin the account if you're on full margin. That is where full margin is bad. So it will just go down a little bit and then will go up. For sure it will go up, but you have to know that before it goes up, what is going to happen. So that's the thing which you have to worry about. So in this, I put my 3 arrows so that you know. So when it goes up, right, all right, first I said it might go like this. It will try to like break out and then comes back up and then goes up. And then when it goes up, it will come back with a fake out. So that is the long arrow there. That's a fake out going back in the trend line. So that's some kind of fake out to go back in the trend line. So that's what we see on the candle here. That is what which we are waiting for to go up, and then it comes back down with a fake out, and we'll sell on that fake out. I send the whole analysis on the Telegram group and the WhatsApp group. All right, I send them, so the people have seen it and they know what to do. They know what to do. All right, so just like that, boom, we'll be in profit. Just like that, we'll be in profit. If you sharp entry and if you use a high leverage account, yeah, there are odds that you will get 100% profit just like that, boom, and you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked at first, but then you get to sort of used to it. All right, after a few hours, we will have to close our profit or full margin. Like I said, when it goes to the shadow zone area, when the next candle forms, this is the H4, right? It started from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Now, is it 12? No, it's 10. So now I have to sell full margin, because definitely it's gonna go back inside with a fake out. So a fake out is when it closes inside, the next candle closes inside the candle. That's a fake out. That's when you know you have a fake out. So here we are now trading the fake out candle, the candle which will go back in the trend. All right, if you are a trader which trades breakouts and retest, you'll be waiting for a retest, then it will end up back in the trend line. Then you have no trade, because your setup will be ruined. You don't want to do that. Do this, all right, so that your chances of getting a lot of setups will be more. All right, so the odd card trade was destroyed. Anyway, moving on to the new trade. So in this video I was trading all my favorite pairs. You see, this is like the same pair as we have started this video on. This is just the same pair. It's just the same thing, just different time frames, but just the same thing. You see there is a W there. I'm sure you've learned something. And up there we have our sell zone, which is our rally base drop. So that's our strong sell point. So from there I doubt it's gonna go down and start breaking the downward trend line. That won't be possible. That won't be possible because it hasn't played too much role in this bullish trend. So it has to go up, break the trend line going upwards. So when it goes up there, then it touches the trend, then you go up. So if you have entered in the trades which I've given in the Telegram group, shout out to you. All right, let's see you in the comment section. Shout out to you. I'm sure you've made good profit because these were very high quality trades. All of them were high quality trades. Such trades are the trades which you need to analyze every day so that your type of trading will become very, very, very good, so that you get a lot of profit. So that is how you do it. All right, I'm sure you have seen the signal. So here we wait for it to go up, and then going up we go down with it. All right, when it goes up we wait, we go down with it. So that's the kind of the pattern which I trade here. This is a W. The W's, they always go up for sure. They always go up. So it will go up there and then hit and then comes back down. All right, so that's how you go about it. Anyway, while we are waiting, you might as well hit that subscribe so that you keep learning, because you seriously have a lot to learn here. You have a lot, and you have seen that there's room for improvement, right? You have seen that as well. So I want you to learn as much as possible so that you become as profitable. You become all profitable. Of course, there is a risk, but then you'll be willing to pay the risk with your time so that you become profitable. All right. So if you have more questions regarding this type of trend, just drop a comment and I'll be replying it in the next video. So this usually takes hours, not just some hours but days. So some people will be saying I should go live trading. This takes days, guys, days, up to even 9 days trading an account, up to even 9 days. So you have to know that I can live stream for 9 days. I gotta rest as well, but I'll try something out for you. Don't worry, I'll try something out so that you see. So upon seeing it has gone up and then come back up in the 5 minutes, trying to scare me that it is a inverted hammer which is going down. So you might think you have now have so strong selling power, but rest assured you just use the long time frame. All right, the price will still go where it's supposed to go. Like here, it just came to my initial sell buying point and came back up again. So anyway, by luck I managed to close this. So yeah, we've managed to put the account here. So anyway, you need to go in the description and go in the Telegram and WhatsApp channel so that you don't miss my signals. All right, you need to do that and open a high leverage account. Links in the description so that you don't miss out on the next trade. All right, cheers.